Hello everyone, this is Dipankar. Welcome to the channel Deep Vlogs. So today I'm gonna be talking about how I edit my photos and color grade. Let me tell you guys, for a good photo editing, you need to have Lightroom photo editing app. If you don't have, then you can download it from Google Play Store. So not to waste your time, let's start it. So after downloading Lightroom, you have to open it on your phone and choose a photo which you want to edit. After opening the photo, click on the light option, then adjust the light as you need. So now I'm decreasing the exposure and increasing the contrast. So now I'm increasing the highlights also, and shadow is also increased, and I decrease the white and I increase the black. Now click on the effects and decrease the vignette and set the midpoint as you want, and increase the feather, I taking it 100. Now click on the detail and increase the noise reduction, and now I'm decreasing temperature, and now I increasing the tint and vibrance also, and I taking it 71 maybe, and now I'm taking saturation as 27. So now this part is done. Now come to the main part, which is color grading. So first of all, adjust the shadow what you want. I'm taking the bluish shadow here. The next part is midtone. Adjust the midtone as you want. And now the next part, highlight. Adjust the highlight which you want, as you want. Now come to the next part, color mixing. I just increasing saturation of orange and luminance as well. Now increase the saturation of blue and luminance also. Now come to the green part. I just increasing the saturation of green and increase some hue. So this part is done. So come to the next part, which is profile. So I'm just checking which profile is good for this photo. I think artistic. So but artistic is not looking good, that's why I left, and I think vintage is good, so I taking vintage 07. So my editing is done. This is before and this is after. So this is my today's video. If you like this video, press the like icon and don't forget to subscribe my channel Deep Vlogs. Thank you so much.
Late nights been on